The roses and the dances or the most influential gentleman sa buhay ng ating celebrant. So may mag-a-assist lang po kay Inay Lorraine dito po at the center. So once I call your name, if you are a participant for the roses and dances, I'll give you a chance to have a dance and give the rose to Nay Lorraine. Okay, again to all the participants, once I call your name, give the flower or Fermin Lawas. Ayan po, dito po sa unahan. Sway-sway lang ha, Sir Fermin. Sir, ito po yung rose. Ayan po, the rose.